Hey friends, Stacy here, and I am back with another video. Okay, so today's video is very exciting because, as you guys know, we are all about the glow up and we're all about our goals for 2020 and this year. And I am setting up my new planner. So I have this planner right here. It's an A5 quilted, obviously not leather, agenda, and it looks like this. And if I can get the link, I will link it down below for you guys. So that is my agenda, and I got my inserts from Cloth and Paper. And Cloth and Paper, yes, so it took a little while to get here, but they are here and I'm so excited. So I will be unboxing them with you guys. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so I tried to do the unboxing filming where you have the camera overhead and you see everything, but that didn't work out for me, boo. So we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way, and I will try to get it really nicely for you guys. If someone can help me with that, let me know. All right, so you open up the box. And I haven't opened it up all the way yet. I mean, I peeked a little bit, but I haven't opened anything. I was waiting for you guys. So you open it up, everything's wrapped up in tissue, and then there's a little card here for you. It says, cross this off your list, your order has arrived. So it's got some cards in here, so let's see what we got. Okay, so it's got a thank you card. Okay, that shows some of the dots and stuff that they have. My order form, and just that. Okay, so that was for the receipt. Ooh. Open it up. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that's pretty. See? And my inserts are in here, all wrapped up. It says there is luxury in simplicity. Agreed. Is there anything else in here? No. So it's just got the tissue paper in there for nice packaging. Yeah, I mean the packaging is very nice. Because they're kind of expensive, so packaging. So let me just put this away. Okay, so here. So what did I order? I ordered the calendar and some dividers to start, and then we'll see what else I will need. Ooh, so sorry, my lighting gets weird when I put stuff up there, but so pretty. Can y'all see? I'm gonna try and get some product shots to put in right now too. But I basically have, oh, it's a lot. The full 2020 calendar and the Cloth and Paper baby blue dividers. Everything's so well packaged. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. So, you guys. Ooh. So pretty. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is put these in my planner right here, and then do a quick flip through. I don't have all my other stuff set up yet for my agenda, like my dashboards and other dividers and my finance section, because y'all know one of my main goals this year is to get some debts paid off and some financial goals that I have. So all that's gonna go in my planner. These are so cute. Okay, So once I set that up, I will come back and show you guys. All right, so I've gone ahead and put the inserts into the agenda. So let's see how they look. They fit quite nicely. The agenda's nearly full, actually, just with the calendar. So I'm wondering how much more I can fit in here as far as like my finance sections and notes and other stuff like that. But you can see the dividers are like a baby blue. I hope you can kind of see that. Will it focus? Okay, so that one says The Grind. That one says Socialite, Inspo, Girl Gang, Moolah, and Whatevs. So that's how they look. And then the calendar. Calendar on 2 pages. So this is just how it looks. Obviously, I'll do a much more in-depth flip through once I've set everything up how I want. And yep, that's it for now. Boop. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video.